If you use AI to build presentations, you already know the catch. The AI writes a deck, but then once you export it, you lose your afternoon fixing fonts, logos, spacing, and you're stuck with slides that look like a robot made them. That last stretch, from raw AI output to a deck that you'd put in front of a client or a board, is where all of your time goes. And that's exactly where most AI slides fall apart. Bland, off-brand, and one export away from a rebuild. So here's what I want to show you. Beautiful AI is now a verified Claude connector. You can prompt a deck inside Claude, and what comes back is a polished, on-brand Beautiful AI deck. Built on smart slides, styled in your team's theme, and no endless reformatting. Let me walk you through it. First, the one-time setup. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, find Beautiful AI, then click Connect. It's secure, and it authenticates through your Beautiful AI account. And it only touches what you already have access to. Do this once and you're done. Now the actual work. I'm going to give Claude a simple prompt. Create a Q3 business review deck in Beautiful AI using our team theme. And I'll paste in my notes and structure it. Highlights, key metrics, wins by account, and Q4 priorities. Watch what happens. Claude sends it to Beautiful AI, and instead of spitting out a generic template, it builds a real presentation. It uses smart slides so the layout stays clean as the content changes. And it's already in my team's theme, my colors, my fonts, right from the first slide. And here's the part that matters. There's nothing to clean up. No export tax, no re-import, no fixing broken formatting. It landed in the right folder in my workspace as a real Beautiful AI deck that I can keep editing, share, or present as is. You can also start from a structured outline instead of a prompt. Hand Claude a defined outline from a briefer doc, and you get a deterministic deck back. Same clean result, great for formats that you rebuild over and over, like QBRs or weekly reports. That's the difference between a tool that generates a deck and a tool that generates your deck. On your brand, consistent no matter who on your team is doing the prompting. The thinking and designing stop being two separate jobs. If your team is sick of reformatting generic AI decks, go set this up before your next presentation. Go to Settings, Connectors, find Beautiful AI, and click Connect. Kickstart your next deck with AI. I'll drop the setup link below.